This video will be strictly for non-US residents who wish to sell in the US marketplace. We will be discussing how non-US residents can sell in the US. First, you need to set up a business in the US. I suggest using LegalZoom or to hire an attorney. You may also need to draft articles of organization for your business. I recommend consulting with an attorney for that. However, you can also find templates on Google or YouTube. For attorneys, I recommend using corporatedirect.com. For non-US residents, you will also need to apply for your EIN. You can do this by Googling Form SS4 or type in the link from the slides. Lastly, you need to make a US bank account. For more information on how to get started for non-US residents, I also suggest YouTube search on how to set up your business, get an EIN, and set up a US bank account. I wish I could be more help on this topic, but I have no experience as I am already a US citizen. YouTube is an awesome wealth of knowledge, and I suggest taking advantage of it. I also suggest talking to a professional because I am not an attorney or a certified accountant, so I cannot give legal advice.